You city folks sure have some funny ways.
Hey, guy. Thanks, guy.
If I were you, I'd save the gas for that road.
We've got to find those missing camps, Butthole. Look! Butthole found a campsite. Can't be saved. Okay, Super Friends, set a perimeter. Cover the entrance. We're not gonna let anything happen to this.
Look, there's those kids. Get up. Oh, I love that shower horseplay. Let me get in on this.
Good thing I wore my kitty pants.
Sorry about your turn.
Your fear makes me stronger.
Wow, Hambozo's.
Once we take care of you, that idiot in the shower is next.
Keep your claws off that campsite.
Dominance! I defend you, Mitten. You know what would make that more impressive? Lightning.
All right, who wants to get eaten tonight?
Medic!
I've got something in my front pocket for you.
Sure wore safety glasses, huh? Prepare to suffer, fools! You're on the clock, minion!
Pues ¿dónde está el cemento? Lo mejor es que paguen por las horas extras.
Who wants to see my...
Good thing there's a drain for all that blood.
I got a hankering for child's play. I'm gonna scare you dead.
Oh, a little pee came out again, you guys. The tingle is how you know it's working.
You're gonna need a nightlight for the rest of your life.
Fast Pass springs into action.
Hey, I gotta return this outfit in good shape. I'm starting to lose my fondness for children.
Oh, here I go, guys. Make some room.
Hey, monsters are people too.
Yeah, people who are assholes.
You got guts, kid. I can't wait to eat them up.
You're covered in berries. You can't hurt my minty friend.
What doesn't kill me makes me really fucking angry.
Bringing the crunch. Be right back. Go forth and miss, Red.
Can't wait to roast you over the fire.
No need. We have plenty of marshmallows.
I'm a monster!
Not easy being one of the good guys, huh, Professor?
Only temporary. Soon the world will feel my wrath again.
I'm gonna kill out there. I'm not really invisible, but my atoms are vibrating too fast for you to see.
I am Lord, yeah, yeah, yeah. I am Lord, yeah, yeah, yeah. Finger bang bang bang, finger bang bang into my life girl. You like a finger bang, that's alright.
Hard!
Pero era mi turno.
A foe has fallen. What the heck is that?
I heard this campground needed more monsters.
Thieves! They're trying to flank us!
Leave this place!
Sorry about your turn. Now that's a satisfying crunch.
Let's make this quick. That's epic.
I'm pretty sure I'm up, fellas. Get him!
¡Ándale! ¿Quiénes son estos niños?
Damn kids are gonna give me nightmares! I just have to beat up 2 more kids to get my kid beating patch. I need a... I just want to tie you up and torture you a little bit.
Bringing them in!
Hey, leave monsters alone. What's this berry?
Mint and berry are two great tastes that taste right together!
Let's take things fast. Enemy down.
You know, if I made a living wage, I wouldn't have to do this. Just because I'm a monster doesn't mean you gotta treat me like one.
Chaos is on the rise.
I'm having monster issues. Hey! I'm just trying to be a monster in a human world. Why aren't you running away?
That monster has a good point, you guys.
Coming to get ya.
Good luck catching Fast Pass.
I've seen a lot of movies, and you probably shouldn't mess with the final girl.
Victorious.
Here comes that Midbury Justice bad guys crave. Prepare for crunch. This is for good guys. You know what would make that more impressive? Lightning.
Bet you didn't see that coming.
Oh boy, some serious havoc is about to be wreaked.
I was gonna kill you fast, but now I got some other ideas. Trick or treat, assholes.
How do you like them berries?
Yes, we saved the counselor. Now we can have camp.
Hey, mister.
What? Who's in here? Ah! Oh, God, I just flashed my dick to a bunch of little kids. Please tell my wife I love her.
Oh no, this is so horrible.
Yeah, now we're never gonna have camp. Well, let's keep looking. We only need one living counselor for the camp to stay open.